There is a store on Etsy that just this month made $4,400 by simply selling one sticker, which is a very cute image of a mouse. The sticker looks like a hole and you can put it in your child's bedroom. This is why it's so popular, because it's cute and very thoughtful. As you can see, in the last 24 hours, 15 people have purchased this. So very popular product. But this store is not the only one. Here's someone else selling very cute stickers for child's bedroom. And for example, one of the sets of the stickers they're selling on this store sold 32 times last month. And these are very simple images of leaves, mushrooms, and other foresty stuff that again you can put in your kid's bedroom. But again, this is not the only store. There's actually more of them. Here's a store that is selling another set of stickers for your kid's bedroom, but it's priced very high. This set of stickers cost $51 and within the last month sold 72 times and generated approximately $4,600 in revenue. So what all these stores have in common? Well, obviously they sell stickers, but most importantly, they sell nursery decor stickers that is dedicated to infants and young babies. A lot of these stores and these stickers have very high prices, so the margins are very high on them. To create a sticker like this, it will cost you as little as $1.07. And to design these type of stickers, all you need is just Midjourney, which is the AI generator, and Canva, the free photo editor that will let you put this design together. And today I'm gonna show you how to do that. So first, let's look up how big is a nursery industry on Etsy to give us a better idea, is this even worth it, okay? So I'm gonna use the tool called Everbee, which allows me to kind of give an approximation in monthly searches for particular keywords. So for example, you can see the nursery name sign has about 5,000 monthly searches, okay? But nursery decor has over 6,500 monthly searches. And our stickers fall into category of nursery decor, and 6,000 monthly searches on Etsy is quite a lot. To compare this, for example, to the clip art market, which I am mostly selling on, the monthly searches on that niche are only 1,800 a month. So nursery is clearly bigger. But let's look up nursery stickers in particular, because that's exactly what we're gonna sell. And again, the nursery stickers market is higher in searches than the whole clip art market. So there's clearly a lot of people looking for this type of stickers for their children. So now we know that this is a popular niche. We will need to find inspiration on Etsy to figure out what type of stickers we want to design. And I just typed in nursery stickers to see what is popular. So I can see that this design is popular. When it says Etsy pick, this means that Etsy is pushing this in particular. So that means that they want you to kind of create something like that as well. Anything that says bestseller means it's popular. So right now I can see the themes of lions, monkeys, also all these floral designs. But I can also use Everbee again to get a more in-depth analysis. So I can click on product analytics right here and I can see what is getting monthly searches if I just simply sort it out, okay? So now I can see that this one right here is the best seller for the current month. But to be honest with you, I really like the idea of that mouse from the beginning of the video. I think this is a really cute design. So let's see if I can create something similar in Midjourney. Okay, so this is my Midjourney setup. Right here you can see all the settings that I currently have on. And my starting point is just gonna try to figure out the prompt myself. I'm just gonna type it in 3D mouse hole sticker on white background. We're gonna keep it very simple and I just wanna see what type of results we're gonna get with this prompt, okay? And here are the results and they look very cute. I really like all of them. And I think this is something that we could use in order to design these stickers. But earlier we were also looking at these daisy floral stickers that are very highly priced. So let's see if we can create something similar with Midjourney as well. So to do that, we're gonna change our tactic a little bit. We're gonna take a screenshot of one of these daisies right here, just like that. And now we're gonna go back to Midjourney and type in describe and upload an image for this prompt. And what that's gonna give us is gonna give us an idea for prompts that will create something similar to what we feed it with, okay? So I put in the screenshot of that flower and it came up with 4 different prompts. Now I'm gonna click on imagine all and let's see what type of results we're gonna get. And all of these images look really cool. I really like all of them. them. But I think my favorite one is this one right here. So for our example, I'm gonna download this one on my computer, okay? Okay, so now we have our images, but we need to edit them in order to be able to upload them to Printify, which is the platform that's gonna ship the stickers for us. So you don't need to spend any money on shipment or produce these stickers yourself. Printify will do it all for you, and they can do it for as little as $1 if you have their premium plan. But don't worry, you don't need the premium start to start. I actually would recommend not to get it until you start getting decent sales, but later on it's very beneficial if you do, because it's gonna reduce your cost by a lot. And you can use my coupon code that you can see on the screen right now. It's gonna give you 30 days for free, or just simply click on the link in the description. But first, let's edit the images in Canva. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a secret, okay? The secret is that the template we're gonna use, it's not only just gonna allow us to edit the images, but it's also gonna upscale them to the high DPI resolution. So when we upload these images to Printify, Printify is not gonna complain that we're uploading them in low resolution. You see, when you download images from Midjourney, they come in a very low resolution, which the printers don't really like. But with my trick, you'll be able to upscale them in Canva without spending extra money on like an upscaler software, okay? So this is the trick. You're gonna click on create a design, you're gonna click on custom, and you're gonna type in 4000 by 4000. And that's a lot of pixels, which means if we edit these images in that type of format, they're gonna come out with the high DPI. So now I just need to upload the photo I wanna edit. So let's do the mouse first. So here's my mouse that I selected. Right now, I need to remove the background, and Canva has a built-in background removal. All I need to do is click on edit image and click on BG remover. And I don't really want these little pieces of the wall that are still here. So I'm gonna remove them by clicking right here and then click on erase. I just want this to be a solid object, so it's gonna be easy to put on a sticker. So something like this is exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna download this design on my computer with a transparent background. Make sure that you select that you want transparent background. But I also need a mockup. Remember, I need to show my customers the idea of how to use this sticker. So the idea is that it looks like it's a hole in the wall. So to create a mockup, I'm gonna use Midjourney again. I'm gonna just type in the floor frame, zoomed in, and visible in the wide room. And I already did that. And if you're struggling to get the results for the mockup, here's the prompt that you can use. I'm also gonna include it in the description of this video, so you can just copy it and use it in Midjourney in order to get an image that looks kind of like this. Okay, so I'm gonna download this, and now I'm gonna create another template in Canva. Again, it's 40,000 by 40,000 for my mockup. I just uploaded the image of the floor, and I'm gonna zoom in like that. Maybe let's make it a little bit bigger, so the mouse is taking most of the spot. Even bigger, maybe something like this. So I'm gonna drop the image of my mouse here. Let's make it look more natural. And bingo, my mockup is ready, my stickers are ready. Now we gotta upload them to Printify. Before we continue with Printify, you need to connect your Etsy store with Printify. It's very simple to do. You're just gonna go to settings and basically click on connect. You're just gonna click right here on the top and click on add a new store. And you're gonna select Etsy, and with a couple of clicks, you're gonna sync them up together. But once you do that, click on catalog and go to the search and type in stickers. And I can see they have a bunch of different stickers. They even have holographic stickers if you wanna explore that niche. They also can sell the set of different stickers. So there's a ton of different niches that you can explore. But for our mouse example, we're gonna go with this one. It only costs $1.07, and I used this provider in the past, so I trust them. Okay, so now I need to upload my sticker design to Printify. Here's my design. Make sure that your DPI is high enough. If it's green, that means that it's good. If you want to see the preview, click right here. So it's going to give you an idea what it looks like. So here's, for example, what this sticker would look like on a laptop. Very important is that you select that it's going to be transparent, because if you select white, it's going to have this white outline around it, which is not what we wanted. We want to make it look natural, because it's supposed to look like a real hole in a floor frame. So make sure that you select the transparent version. And once you do that, you're gonna send that listing to Etsy. And on Etsy, there's one more thing that you need to do. You need to upload your mockups. So remember the mockup we created earlier? We're gonna need to upload this as our main photo on Etsy because this is what's gonna attract people and also shows the idea on how to use this product, which is making your child's bedroom look like has a hole in a wall where there is a cute little mouse living in, okay? Nursery sticker niche is as big as clip art niche on Etsy. So there's a lot of room to explore. It's an also evergreen niche as well, because there are always gonna be new babies coming into this world and there's always gonna be people buying stuff for their babies because parents love them. And again, with AI and tools like Canva, this is gonna be very easy to set up, okay? If you're interested in joining our private community on Discord, go to the dropshippingyou.com to learn all about the benefits that you can get from our membership. That's it for now. You can check out these videos right here. Adios.